Recently, I turned on my not Echo, Amazon Fire tablet, and I received this warning message about liquid detection. You'll see over here, this is the message I received. This little three little water droplets, and it said check charging port. If you're seeing this message, moisture is being detected. So I didn't charge my device. I blew on the charging port, and this charging error was always being displayed. I'll show you more of the video. So this was on a Fire HD 10 2020. And so I waited and waited, and I waited like 30 minutes, and that charging port error doesn't disappear from the top left. There you see the three droplets. Eventually, to remove it, I had to restart my, what do you call it, Amazon Fire HD tablet, and that fixed the issue. I didn't think my hands were wet when I was holding the tablet, but I guess it detected it. Hopefully, this isn't a big problem. I don't want to see this error again, but again, I just had to reboot my machine after blowing and waiting for it to dry. Supposedly, I had gotten water in the charging port, or moisture in the charging port, but I don't see how I did. Over and out. It's just something weird that happened to me the other day.